Join us, MrTruck.com, for truck reviews, trailer reviews, and accessory reviews. If you have a short bed truck, you know it's not easy to hook up to a gooseneck. Pop-Up came out with these extensions from 9 inches to 16 inches to keep you from breaking out your back window when you're pulling a gooseneck trailer. And everybody uses a short bed. That's the most popular truck there is a crew cab short bed. So protect that window. It's Ken Kelsey with MrTruck.tv. We're doing another review, and this is so awesome. This is a Cadillac Escalade, and it's just beautiful. I love this truck. I'm so excited. I'll have to tell you all about it because it is so cool. Kelsey, how much power do we have?
We have 420 horsepower to 460 foot-pounds of torque. But I have a better question.
What's that?
Why are you dressed like that, Kent?
Dressed like what?
You're all done up.
Well, it's because this Cadillac reminds me of my first date with my first supermodel.
What supermodel? You dated a supermodel?
Well, you wouldn't know her, and now she's old and ugly, so it doesn't matter. But anyway, I love this Cadillac. It's just so cool. I just felt I had to wear a sport coat at least.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
That's deserving.
Let's go play with this Cadillac Escalade. Yeah, show us what the middle seat's all about. Are those captain's chairs?
Captain's chairs.
Yeah.
Look at those huge screens.
Oh, yeah, the screens
They're
are cool.
huge. There's those
I know, in the glove box up. There's speakers all over the glove box up front.
cup holders.
It's got Cadillac speakers. Are they headphones? Yeah, see, all those buttons on this thing are aluminum.
Some HDMI's up here, some
Holy
USB-C
cow.
chargers.
You can get crazy with this thing.
Plug.
Yeah, 110 plug. Wow, let's see. Look at the dual handles, man. You can probably jump up and down with this.
Oh, no, they slide.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Slide.
Got the real slide there. Yeah, I bet the other one folds it. Yeah.
It does, but I need to get out to do that.
I get smashed. 100 miles an hour.
Maybe.
You
To lift.
flip the second one. Oh, yeah, that's one way to do it. There's also that second handle will do that, too.
I don't know. I don't know about these seats back here without somebody being short. Somebody being little, I should say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's heavy. Well, those are taller than the two SUVs I was in last week. So I don't know. I know they're not real tall, but that is better than what I've seen. But see, that's 3 seat belts, so that's 7 seat belts.
7 seats.
Yeah. Boy, it's got recess. Of course, this has that giant moonroof, but it's got lights all over back there. So you got, what says that for wearing your cowboy hat in the back seat? You got a big bump up there.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, cool. More toys on the side. Yeah, it's got air in the roof.
It's got power in the back. It's got power everywhere.
Yeah, these are called like airline or Anline seats, something to it. It's got the heated and cold. Both first and second row have that refrigerated and heated seat. Oh, wow. Wow, that's cool. Even the guys in the third row can flip that forward power. I like that.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Okay, let me lift this one out of your way so you can get out of here.
I was going to say, there's a button right there for me to do it.
Yeah, that's right. I guess I should let you do it. I like the armrest.
Let me see if I can't hop out. I see your green LED light in here.
Oh, they are cool. They're on the
light
floor.
up in the door.
Yeah, they light up everything. All this chrome lights up green too.
Oh.
The headrest flips up and down. It's like Star Wars.
Maybe. Slide you back.
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's nice to have sliders.
Slide everything.
We go to the other side. Okay, now how do you open a tailgate?
There's no buttons, but
That's a big button.
it's a big button.
Look at all those giant lights in this thing. See, it's got big LED.
Bars all the way around.
Yeah.
All right, my question is, where's the kick?
Well, it's there. See,
Oh, look, it worked right off the bat.
Wow, that is so cool.
It's nifty.
Now you gotta do it again because I didn't get you kicking.
Oh, it's nifty when it works. Can I? Or does it have to be open?
No,
Oh, I can kick it to open it?
yes.
That's nifty.
There's a button right there with the tail at the end of it.
Oh, nope, see, I didn't get there.
Too, since you like kicking this thing.
I don't know. Now I'm not getting it. Button.
Okay, got the button. Yeah, giant gimbal.
Nope.
That's where your dogs did it when I was looking at my cameras. They climbed underneath there. I had the hatch open. The hatch started closing on me, but I just grabbed it and it stopped. Well, that is bizarre. It stopped working. What did you do to it?
It's broke. Return it. Hop in. Let's do the dash. Don't go away, Mr. Truck.tv. We'll be right back.
Okay, Kelsey, now that you're in my favorite vehicle, show me all this cool stuff in the center. What's all these buttons do?
Well, you got your power, standard power, little
Yeah.
cubby.
Cubby's all over. Is that for the
That's
phone?
a
I have
phone
not
charger.
figured it out. I think, is that what it is?
It's a phone charger.
Okay.
Put your phone in there.
Yeah, cooler.
Power on and off. Yeah, this is a cooler. Do you want it cold or very cold?
Oh, that's cool. I'll have to buy some Red Bull on the way home. That's some cherry
I
juice.
wonder if there's a plug.
Now you want to get it when ice is in there, huh? Surprise there.
Nope, there's not a plug in here. Not a drain
Well,
plug.
it is insulated, and you see the gasket got in the lid too.
Yep.
It's made to seal up. That's cool.
Keep something cold.
Well, awesome.
If not, what is it?
This has got Escalade lights all over the place on the
All
floor,
over.
door sills. Oh yeah, I love this wood. That's close your cup holders. Yeah, that's for your vents. So what does the rest of the stuff in the center thing do?
You got your navigation, your information, your home button, hazard lights, your music, and your phone.
Yeah, you can turn them all off there. And then what's this dial, that big knob do?
Turns on your dash.
Okay, it rolls a dash.
So we roll through the dash, or it's a touch screen.
Oh man, that is so cool. That OLED.
It's got everything, along with all these buttons.
Yeah,
all these
real wood,
aluminum.
real aluminum. Yeah, the buttons are. I like buttons. I don't have to always go into a program to find out what I'm doing.
Find out where you're
It's
going.
so cool.
Then you got the paddle shifters. They're
Yeah.
very dainty and little on the back, but
Yeah, I didn't even
hidden
notice
well.
them for a while. Those are awesome, cool.
Musics and
Yeah, there's that conversation button, I think, where you're out there at the very bottom. It shows ear on one, it shows a
Yep.
voice on the other. It's pretty cool. Let's play
Yes.
the conversation.
Oh, no,
what?
that's what we're talking about.
Oh, who are we talking to? We're talking to the car.
what do we want to name her?
Name her Ethel.
Oh,
You don't
she's
know.
Sirius XM NHL Network Radio Sirius XM.
Oh,
Coming
your-
right up. Okay.
your name's
I'll
not
cancel.
Not Elsa. Oh, she didn't like that.
Now, where did you find the heat button? Well, this is also, go to the trailer. Do you see where the trailer connections are? I named this one Mr. Truck. So scroll through there until you find, there it is, trailer right there.
Trailering.
That's so cool. And then you can set it up with how, so you remember your gain, all that, and probably do the light settings and check them. And wow, wanted to see that top one's named MrTruck.com. I like that trailer. That's the one we're towing. Your checklist, so you can go through your hitches and your lights. Oh, awesome. They're really getting into trailers nowadays. It used to be, it's just me and my notepad. Now it's the truck talks to you. A lot of cool
Tells you a
stuff.
little bit of everything in here.
Yeah. There's your tire pressures, monitors. That's cool. You like that screen, that 4K screen?
It's huge.
Yeah.
And it's literally just an extension of your gauge cluster.
Yeah, you got 3 different screens, but 38 inches. Wow. And everything is so sophisticated. This thing is pure luxury.
Yeah.
Yeah. Makes me want to start talking English and not cussing.
Auto stop on. Lane departure.
Yeah, lane departure is cool. It all ties into that anonymous vehicle thing.
Yeah.
We'll go with some more of those here in a little bit. We got to hit the road and chase some mountains. That's the massaging screen, and it shows you several options. And then it'll go to one part, we'll show you rolling down the back. There you go, roll, need, wave, and relief. Wow, so you can get some heat and rolling. You feel that?
No, I don't. Nothing.
Yeah, usually when I got the trigger, all I did is that little tab on the very top.
Uh-oh.
I just flipped it once. See, that way you can see on each side of the trailer so well. Then that's swinging to your right, so you'll see that. And then in the very bottom side, you see the back wheel of the tire on the opposite side of the the Cadillac.
Yeah, but there's a gooseneck back there, and I can't see anything on the back of the gooseneck.
Yeah, you are right behind. The gooseneck's right behind you. You're going to have to get the whole thing over. I did that when I got in here because I got. Now, we know GM is king of the cameras, but look at this. This here, it's not too dark. You see on the right side, that's my trailer. I'm backing up at an angle, and I can see all around that trailer on the side that I'm backing to. And then this here, this gives me a picture, if you can see that right there, the tire in that middle picture.
That's the other corner of my truck, the right side. So I'm back into my left side. I can see where the trailer's going. And I can look on the right side and see if I'm backing into anything with the actual truck. That is so cool. And then, of course, there gives you like a 360 on the third camera. That is wonderful. I mean, this is such good technology for safety for backing trailers. You look so good in there, Kelsey. This Cadillac's made for you. How many different positions was it?
12, 16, 21, something.
A lot of them. And this one back here, this is the massage button. That is so cool.
So you find the button and then it goes on your seat.
Yeah, that's just great. And that is the that will also come out with all those bolsters come out of the same control.
Yep.
But looky, you got all this normal stuff here, the heated seat and everything's in the door. And there's a brake controller. Oh. I love that. And then there's your part to make your dash brighter. And then this is that e-brake, which is cool.
Park brake set.
And now up here, let's see if I can see all these. This is like regular dashes, and then push that one. And then there's your augmented reality. Isn't that cool? Excuse me a second, let's see if that. It shows the yard. That is so cool. You can just drive without looking at the windshield. Maybe you shouldn't.
Probably not.
Okay, and then at night when you can't see it till night.
Night
I've
vision
done that
system
a bunch.
available
That
only when
is
it's dark.
Wonderful. Yeah. So we're back to there, but that's so cool. I love all the wood. And there's that paddle shifter from the back side.
They're little.
Speakers in the headrest. It's 36 speakers. That is so cool. And all this lights up at night. The Escalade lights up. It's all green on the floor at night, and then all the trim lights up. All this trim on the door and the dash all turns green. It's so awesome. Okay. See what the fuel mileage is. Shows here my average width, 7,500 pound trailer is 10.5. And on the highway before I hooked up with the trailer, I could get as high as 19. So, and that's pretty typical. You're getting that 10 miles per gallon with almost any gas engine pulling a heavier trailer. You're going to be right in that 10-11 range. So that's right where it's at. So I guess that's fine for towing. You can't expect a lot from a gas engine with miles per gallon loaded. Way too high RPM, so it just can't do it for any gas engine. Well, cool. Did you like the Cadillac?
Yeah, I can't afford one, but nice ride.
We could probably get a deal if we bought 2 of them.
Oh, well, you better be doing the deals, working the deals.
Okay, I'll start working the deals. Well, thanks for joining us. That's another review with Kent and Kelsey.